Hello, I'm Patrick O'Sullivan, Director of the Center for Teaching and Learning and Technology. I welcome you to Cal Poly's community of educators. I hope that the CTLT can become an oasis of support and connection on your journey toward teaching excellence. You will find that we have a terrific team of experienced and well-informed staff who are dedicated to your success. Over time, we've expanded programming and services for Cal Poly's faculty, all of it scholarship-informed and field-tested. I encourage you to explore our offerings and take advantage of the many opportunities that we provide. Although our programming is appropriate for faculty at any career stage, you will find that much of it is especially well designed for early career educators. A bit about me. I came to this role from the faculty ranks in my home discipline of communication. After earning tenure in 2002, I had the opportunity to lead the teaching center at Illinois State University, which I did for 7 years. In 2012, the chance to move back to my home state of California and to join Cal Poly led me to becoming director here. So it's been 14 years since I transitioned into this new direction in my academic career. It's been challenging and deeply rewarding working with faculty on their teaching. Although it was a while ago now, my experiences launching an academic career and earning tenure and all that entails provides me with insights into the journey that you all are on. Our dedicated staff has worked with faculty from an expansive range of disciplines in every college across campus. I expect that you will find our programs are relevant to your priorities and responsive to your needs. We're ready to partner with you on your journey to becoming an outstanding educator. On behalf of the team, we all look forward to working with you to help you reach your teaching goals. Take care.
Hi, I'm Diana Winslow. I'm Assistant Director in the CTLT and the Writing Instruction Specialist for the campus. I work with faculty and departments across the university to infuse writing into their courses, whether they are gen ed courses or courses in their disciplines and their majors. I also love to help faculty with their own writing, and I run summer writing retreats for faculty to have the space and the time and the support for their written scholarly pursuits. I really love doing that. It's one of my favorite parts of my job to be able to work writer to writer, scholar to scholar with other faculty. I'm a creative, and I love theater and music. And a fun thing to know about me is that I adore music and I love all genres. So once we're able to go out and play again in the world, you may very well see me dancing up a storm to some of the local and guest bands that our area is so rich in. Welcome to Cal Poly.
Hi, my name is Sarah McDonald, and I use she, her, hers pronouns. And I'm an assistant director in the CTLT with a focus on diversity, equity, and inclusion in teaching. I work with faculty to help address the campus diversity learning objectives in the curriculum and to incorporate inclusive and equitable teaching practices that fit well with their disciplines and with their own individual teaching styles. I'm a sociologist by training, and the most rewarding part of my job is getting the chance to use both sociology and interdisciplinary scholarship to enhance teaching and to address systemic inequities and the ways that they manifest in higher education. I've been at Cal Poly just under 2 years. I moved here from the Bay Area, and I've loved the change to a slightly slower pace of life, lots of beautiful wide open spaces and less traffic. I love being in cities though, so I often spend weekends in the Bay Area or LA. I have a 5-year-old child, so if you have questions about living here with a kid, feel free to ask. We'll have many upcoming opportunities for you to learn about diversity, equity, and inclusion in teaching, so make sure to check out our weekly newsletter. Feel free to reach out to me at any time if you'd like to chat, create, or troubleshoot your teaching together. Welcome to Cal Poly.
Hello, my name is Tanya Malone, and I work for the Center for Teaching, Learning, and Technology. I support our learning management system, Canvas. If you need help, you can email us at canvassupport@calpoly.edu. We also have wonderful web resources at canvassupport.calpoly.edu. I will be teaching webinars before and during fall, and I hope to see you there. Have a great day.
Hi, My name is Luann Fos, and I've been an instructional designer at Cal Poly for over 19 years. Wow. I'm out here today at my favorite surf and paddleboard spot, Morro Bay. And if you're new to the Central Coast and you haven't found Morro Bay yet, you're going to love it. My specialty is multimedia, especially video and audio. And right now, I mainly teach faculty how to implement some of the video tools that Cal Poly has, such as Zoom, Screencast-O-Matic, Flipgrid, and Camtasia. I've also published 6 papers having to do with video assessment. I was one of the first to experiment with video assessment as a way to provide better feedback to students and also to help mentor them. And that mentoring part is really important when you're teaching online especially, but it's also true face-to-face as well. Before coming to Cal Poly, I was a university music theory professor, so I have a PhD in music theory and musicology, but I was very involved in music technology, and that's how I became an instructional designer. Basically, I believe that learning that is fun is retained much better than learning that is not fun. Some people might say that I'm marching to a different drummer. Or perhaps I'm marching to my own saxophone. Anyway, come and see me. Make an appointment on Zoom and we'll talk about how we can collaborate to make learning more fun for your students with all kinds of cool activities. Take care.
Hi, I'm Katherine Hillman, instructional designer and online teaching specialist for the CTLT. I truly enjoy helping faculty transform their courses for both online and face-to-face delivery. And this is my 20th consecutive year teaching online courses in higher education. As an adjunct faculty here in the Orfalea College of Business, I have been right there with you, converting my course to online as well. I'm sheltering in place in North County, along with my tabby cat, Lily. But every morning, I wake up to at least 4 squirrels peeking in my patio door, waiting for me to throw peanuts at them. I'm going to try to claim them as dependents next year. I hope to see you in a future workshop.
Hello, my name is Pam Doherty, and I'm staff in the Center for Teaching, Learning, and Technology, also known as the CTLT. I work with the instructional design team to support faculty in course design and delivery. I'm an instructional designer and an accessibility specialist. My specialty areas include online course design, accessibility, and universal design for learning. I can help you design, develop, and deliver online, hybrid, and face-to-face courses. This includes using our learning management system, Canvas, and selecting the tools and features that will best help your students meet your course goals and outcomes. I can also help you design engaging activities for your students and explore options for assessments beyond the traditional exam. Additionally, I can help you in applying accessibility requirements to your course materials to ensure these are easily accessible to your students with disabilities. And I can help you apply universal design for learning principles to your course design that will benefit all of your students. If you have any questions about course design, accessibility, or universal design for learning, please don't hesitate to reach out to me. And keep an eye out for our quarterly workshops where you can always learn more. I'm really looking forward to meeting each of you in the coming year.
Hi everyone, my name is Christina Diaz and I am the Administrative Support Coordinator here at the CTLT. Among other responsibilities, I am in charge of scheduling and managing our calendar and events, as well as working with our student assistants to keep operations running smoothly here at the center. A few fun facts about me. I am the eldest of 9 children. I owned a dog walking and pet sitting company in Manhattan for almost 10 years, and I have a background in drama and performing arts. So if you ever want to chat about siblings, animals, or theater, feel free to drop me a line. Welcome.
Mm-hmm.